What's going on, guys? Thurls on the block. I'm going to be using the Mark1, and we're going to be shooting some Speedokote 2K high build primer. Been in here working on Project Motivation and got all the rough sanding done. Took all the clear coat off and took care of some high spots, low spots. Anyway, we're gonna use this right here. This is the Mark1. Got this from Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. We're gonna be using the SS2790-GQ high build 2K urethane primer surfacer sealer. to this, what this guide coat does is simply guide you in the right direction for finishing your body work. Basically, the guide coat just guides your highs and lows so you can see them better, kind of highlights those areas. Throw a dark color on top of your light coat, give you some contrast. Roughly what your guide coat should look like. All this does is help you get your body work where it needs to be at. You start to sand all your dark areas or low spots. So you know you need to either add more primer and or filler or continue to sand until you get everything smooth and one color again. I'll just go ahead and say the Speedokote primer does an excellent job creating a build on your surface of the vehicle and also sands off really easy. You can see here I'm just simple block sand, knocking it off with a dust broom. So I got my hand and yeah, really impressed with how well that primer works. Lays out smooth, easy to work with. So came out really well. Well, thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and start painting the 67 Chevelle, also known as Project Motivation. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels in a Block, and we'll see you next time.